and clip this in. Hey guys, Brad here, and today we're going to be taking a look at Milwaukee's 10-inch tote. This is part of the Packout system, and I'm going to show you why I love this so much later in the video, so make sure you stick around. Also, please subscribe, hit that notify bell, and give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and please give me a comment because I love talking to you guys and just the whole interaction. That's why we do this. All right, so let's take a look at this thing. This is supposedly a tear-resistant canvas. We'll see once I put it to use. It is 10 inches, and they say it's all metal hardware, so all these things like your clips, you know, for hanging tape and brackets and, you know, shoulder strap up here. Now, let's count how many holes we've got for storage. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And then there's a zipper back here, that's 25. We've got a divider, which is removable, so 26, 27. 27 areas to put things. I do like this quite a bit. I'm thinking about different options, what I'm going to use this for. It might just be my finishing bag. It might be, I don't think it's going to be my plumbing bag, but yeah, we'll see. We'll see what it's going to be. Maybe I'll do another video once I figure that one out. This is a removable divider. So they got Velcro in here. Pull that right out. Okay. So now we just got one big compartment. You can chuck some tools in there, like an impact. Okay. You could put one of these little recips in here. Okay. So lots of things you could just chuck in this bag just to kind of get your job done. Putting Dewalt in Milwaukee, right? It's crazy. All right. So it's got rubber overmold for the handle here, which is nice. It's a really good, solid feeling handle. We can clip on, you know, rolls of tape back here, strapping, whatever you guys want to use. Just clips on, pretty standard. There's nothing too crazy, fancy, new with this bag. I mean, it's kind of typical for a lot of bags. I do like how rigid this is. It's not going to collapse. But the thing that's awesome about this bag, obviously, is that it's Packout. And it will clip into your Packout system, which is right here in the front. So you can clip this in. And being 10 inches, it doesn't take up the whole area. All right. Now, I'm going to tell you why I love this. I'm thinking about getting the larger one. That's the full depth. But the reason I love this system is because I can just clip it like this and I can walk around with all my screws. And it becomes this awesome kit where I've got my parts that I need and I've got my tools on top. It's still nice and small and compact. If I, you know, need some more parts, then I can easily just add another box. So there's my kit. That's all I need for today. I don't need to, you know, grab a bunch of little containers and things like that. It's just good to go. And this is why I love the Packout system. You know, this is why I'm kind of steering away from Dewalt Tstack. I don't think I'm going to touch Dewalt's 2.0 system. They're just so far behind Milwaukee. It's mind-blowing. You know, I thought Dewalt would have been one of the leaders in this, but their system is nice, but they don't have any of this kind of stuff with the pouches, the backpacks, the different trays. You know, this just makes working so much easier, so much more organized. You know, if you don't want to use these small ones, you can just, you know, hook on your big ones and it just clips in right there, you know. Transportation, I really like this because I can throw a backpack on. I currently use the Dewalt backpack, but this allows me to also clip in, you know, into my cart, which has all my tools. And then this might carry, you know, special hand tools that I need just for this particular job. So I can see myself buying, you know, 2 or 3 of these and having specific items. Like I have a siding box I use where I'm doing hardy board, and I've got all my my brackets for the siding. I've got with snips, you know, I've got all that kind of stuff, special blades. I could see myself having this kit. And you know, when you go to work, you still want to bring your whole system, which might have my impacts, my jigsaw, all that good stuff. Maybe even I'll buy some like Packout clips, because you can get them aftermarket, and put them on the bottom of some of my other tools so I can clip them on the sides of my whole entire cart. Like it's just unreal how easy it is to sort of be super mobile and really save space. I'm a big, you know, pusher of trailers, and always having a trailer, and just being able to be super mobile. And this system's making me rethink how I kind of run my whole business, which it's crazy to think that way. But you know, you don't need to have boxes and boxes of tools. You can just kind of have this system, and it's more compact. So that's why I like it. But that's a little bit of a rant, guys. Sorry. We're looking at this. Overall, I'm super happy with this. You know, I haven't used it yet, but I have used a lot of bags, and I've used the Dewalt, I've used Hoodies, I've used some other ones that are, I can't remember the names. And actually, I'm going to grab one right now just to show you. And this is one I used to use all the time, and I actually just found it today. And this is a good example. Okay, this is a great bag. This is really nice. Okay? It's actually, in my mind, a better bag than this Milwaukee. It just has more storage. I like this center divider in here a lot more than what they've done. The problem with this Milwaukee, the pouches are quite shallow, so it's not great for putting, you know, long tools in, whereas this one, you can fit longer tools. So I really, really like this bag. And this bag here on the bottom has storage for parts. But this case, in my mind, is garbage. Like it's hard to get into. You know, it's all bent. It's just really not, you can't even compare to the Milwaukee Packouts. It's just nowhere near. So that's why this is so much better, all right? You can just clip in, and you've got all your parts. And you sacrifice maybe on a little bit of like good storage. For example, if I'm doing, you know, some with Snip Action, and I want to put these in here, you know, they don't fit in very well. So I'm not sure why Milwaukee did these shallow pouches. I might even like cut the bottoms out of these to make this work better. I don't know, I'm gonna have to play with this, because I don't know what the heck they were thinking, how they're supposed to do this. Maybe I just leave them in there randomly. Over here though, you know, it fits nice. That's nice. And then you, if you want, I used to store a bunch of tools up here and that in there. You know, this is just built a little nicer as far as organization goes. But I don't use this anymore because, you know, it's it just wasn't working for me. I really didn't like this screw case. I got into T-stacks, I kind of got away from soft pouch type storage, to be honest. But now I find myself kind of going back to it a little bit. And the only reason is because it can clip in to this. So it's just making my life a little bit easier. And I'm sure everybody else can agree to that too. With this Packout system, it's making our lives a little easier as far as tool storage, tool organization, and just being able to, you know, move around quicker. And time is money, right guys? So on that note, please subscribe, hit that notify bell, give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and please leave a comment down below. Till next time, keep on crushing it. We'll catch you later.